Thank you. Good morning.
And configured chocolate.
Kain muna. We started day 5 of our Eurotrip with a quick breakfast at a cafe located inside the Venezia Santa Lucia station. We ordered 2 cups of coffee and a pan au chocolat.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy chocolate.
Yeah. Ang sarap. We then took the train to Lucerne with a quick stop at Milano Central Station. The ticket fare cost us 48.90 euros each.
Dieser Zugverkehr weiter nach Luzern, Porto, Basel. Signore e signori, tra poco arriveremo ad Rathaus Brauerei 5.
How pretty is that? How pretty is that?
Maybe.
We reached Lucerne at 1:45 in the afternoon, immediately checked in at our hotel, and went out for a stroll around the city. Lucerne's most photographed destination is the world-famous Chapel Bridge. It is considered to be Europe's oldest covered wooden bridge in Switzerland, dating back to the middle of the 14th century. It is decorated with paintings hanged below the roof. The Old Town Luzern is surrounded with beautiful architecture, the serene river roofs, lovely small cafes, shops, and restaurants. It is easy to navigate and is full of interesting landmarks and attractions. We took a short break at the craft brewery, ordered a glass of beer, and enjoyed the views of the Chapel Bridge and river. spent the rest of the afternoon enjoying this beautiful view together with the swans in the lake. Can't wait to see more of Switzerland. Next stop, Mount Titlis, Engelberg. If you would like to follow our Eurotrip, then please subscribe to my channel so you get notified when a new video is up.
Raining!